Hi there, this is Randy with BajaMate. Today we're in beautiful Gilbert, Arizona at one of our customers' homes. As you can see, they've already got the BajaMate full kit in their pool, but they've also done one in their deck. Interestingly, the landscaper put in a plastic sleeve, and today we're going to show you why these are really not good in comparison to our stainless steel sleeves. So as you can see, this customer had his table and his umbrella in this plastic sleeve, and it actually broke and pulled the concrete out of the patio. But this wouldn't have happened had it been installed with our stainless steel sleeve. They're much heavier and they're designed to be built into the concrete, a much larger base of concrete. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this piece out, we're going to throw away the plastic, and we're going to stick this into our concrete. We're going to make a larger hole. We're going to add more concrete. We're going to float this right even with the tiles. Okay, so here we are. We finished up the sleeve installation. As you can see, it's perfectly flush, beautiful. It looks very clean, very nice. No ridges, no plastic. It doesn't look cheap. It's very high end. Then we take the cap off, and what you'll see is the pin system that works with our sleeve and our adapter slides right in there and allows the stability of the adapter. So as that slides in there, it's machined perfectly. And now I'm going to thread this on the bottom of our adapter, and then we're going to put this whole piece on for the customer. So as you can see, I'm screwing the pin into the adapter with the plate. The plate is already threaded on. Get it right about level with the whole piece. In case there's a ridge during your installation, if this were a little bit higher, we've built in a custom little cut so you don't have to deal with any type of wobble. So we just keep screwing this in, and we're going to get it right till it's even. Now that we've done this, we're literally just going to slide this piece in, and that is now your secure base onto the ground with your sleeve in the ground, in concrete, your base plate. And there you go. That is the installation of the sleeve, along with our adapters in either steel or aluminum. Thanks for watching.
Perfect weather for the pool.
It really doesn't get better than this.